What's up, traders? How y'all doing? Quick little video log reflecting on October's not over, but I would say the last 30 days have been my best trading month ever. Not from I've made the most money ever in the last 30 days. By the way, if you don't know me, welcome in. I just got off my marine wildlife tour today. My face looks pretty red, got a lot of sun. I'm heading up to the farm right now to get some groceries. And I'm going to chat with you for a couple minutes about my trading month. Yeah, it's been a great month. It's not been the #1 most profitable month, but it's been a month where my equity curve has been basically straight up. There was a hiccup on the second where I took a larger loss than normal, but we're towards the end of the month and I've only had 5 red days. The other days have all been green. And the equity curve looks like a straight line almost of just climbing. And yeah, I'm super stoked on it. I think a lot of it is accumulation of knowledge is part of it, where, okay, I have an edge. A lot of the work I did earlier in the year has paid off, where I got a lot of computer back testing done and I can incorporate those things. I have multiple trading strategies from previous years that I'm kind of trading. One of the reasons why I have so many winning days and so few losing days and my equity curve has been so smooth is because I'm trading multiple strategies across crypto at once, hedging, longs and shorts at the same time. I've done better off the short side than the long side, I think, although I've had a couple bigger longs too. You know, it's interesting, one of the things that I was afraid of for this month is that I was going to miss the Bitcoin move. And for the most part, I did miss the Bitcoin move. My limits just weren't set in the right place. The lowest point of the month, my limit order was $70 beneath it. And I'm typically running my stop loss at thousands of dollars. So I didn't get filled. And I tried chasing it with limit orders but not market orders and just never got filled, and it ran up. Obviously October, a big up month, but the cool thing is, despite that happening, I've just had an awesome month anyways. I made money on BNB long, Sol long, I made money, a lot of money on the short side. It's been good market conditions. I think a lot of it has been solving for my life, where I realized, and I talked about this a lot, that my life was kind of boring and I was looking for excitement in the markets, and I made my life super busy and interesting and novel, and it's been an awesome month outside of trading. Also, I think my other YouTube channel had my highest watch time ever, I think, going back years. I met some interesting women for dating opportunities. I had a great time working my jobs. I got a bow and arrow. I'm going tomorrow. I'm going hunting goats in the mountain. Had a friend visit me. I hosted them. And I posted every single trading session in the month between 30 and 60. I guess there was a couple times it lasted more than an hour. And occasionally I stay on a little bit after I finish recording. But usually, it's been as little as 20 minutes. I've also stopped trading Saturdays generally, so it's been 6 days a week, 30 minutes a day on average maybe. So yeah, awesome reducing the time. It's been really good, and it's like I just don't have the time. I find myself really not looking forward to the trading session, which honestly I think is a good sign, because it's like, this is like taking a shit. It's just for money. It's not for validation. It's definitely not for fun. It's still the most stressful thing in my life, even though there's not a lot of fear associated with it. Part of the fear is fear of relapsing into bad habits, fear of relapsing into losing months, fear of relapsing into checking the chart from my phone, being an addict. And I think the most likely way that could happen is if I got a physical injury and was put out of work and just became very bored. I don't know what I would really do at that point, but I'm just praying that doesn't happen, and also just taking care of my health so that doesn't happen. Yeah, my goal now, so I had a pretty rough year. January and February should have been big winning months, but that's when I got scammed by the prop firms, where I had a it was like $8,800 pending payout and fresh 7 figures in funding. Flushed down the toilet January, February. March was a winning month. April was a losing month. I stopped trading in May and June and just ran algos, and the algos did terrible in May and June, lost money. And then I lost money. Yeah, I had a losing months July, August, September, actually. It's just been it's funny, it's my 5th year, and it's like been my worst trading year. I think it could finish good the way October's closing if November or December go well. But I had a buddy invest in me, and my goal is to have every month profitable from here on out, basically. And be back in the fund is in profit in March. So that's what my goal is right now. Just recoup all the losses from the Forex bot, and some problems earlier in the year. But that said, like, the focus though needs to be on my habits, right? The real goal is to keep consistent habits, keep my sessions 20 minutes to an hour, 5 to 7 days a week, stay super busy, making money in other ways, and stay getting, another thing of October, it's like I had my best sleep month of the year, I think, and I can track that with my Ring, my sleep tracker Ring. And a lot of that has to do with just taking more work, where it's like, I don't have time for you. I don't have time for this bullshit of trading, right? Like, I'm keeping it short. I have other things I want to do. I have other things I need to do. I cannot stay up late staring at the chart anymore, ever, right? So I fixed my life, and my trading's been fixed for the most part. But I'm getting here. I'm pulling into the farm. About to get my groceries for the week, and I'll chat with you guys. Chat with you guys soon. Appreciate y'all. Much love, and happy trading. And I hope for a great a great trading month for you too. Reading the sign here. All right. Peace.